everyone, it's Tamara with Tamara's Colorful Coven. I'm here to do another video flip through of a book I got the other day at Hobby Lobby this time. I just happened to be there with a relative and I saw that they had some coloring books, not a lot, but a few, on clearance. On clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I went ahead and picked it up and stuff. And I got it it was originally $4.79. But I got it for $2.39, and it's a Creative Haven book, Dover's Creative Haven. God, if I could talk. A Dover's Creative Haven. Sorry, for some reason I cannot talk today. The Four Elements coloring book by Miryam Adatto. Like I said, it's by Dover's Creative Haven, I should say. And I thought I'd go ahead and do a video flip through of it. And these pages are one-sided. They're, hold on. They are also, perforated. Although I will say, their paper is still good, but it's not the same quality as it used to be. I can't help but to think that, I know times are changing and prices are going up and stuff, but still trying to get this page all in view. And this book came out in, let's see here, 2025, okay. One of the things I like about this book is it's got to do with the rain, and I absolutely love rain. Sadly, though, I cannot enjoy it where we're living at now because I can't see it, nor can I hear it. I have two very small windows behind me that I cannot even see out of. I can see people's feet walking by, but I couldn't look out if I wanted to. Hold on, guys. I haven't colored in one of her books in a long time. I need to get back. I've got a few others, but most of my stuff is still packed away, and I don't even know where a lot of the only books I've really got out are my Coco Wild books and my Camellia Angelica books. We just don't have the space here. We don't hardly have anything here at this place. I'm glad for a roof over our head, but there's so much that this place is much to be desired. It's not funny. I like this for some reason. What in the... Okay, some of these pages are thick and some are not. I like that for some reason. I like that. Didn't mean to do that. And I do like that. I really like that. And that is all, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.